Want to learn how hackers navigate Linux like experts? Let me show you the commands you need to know. These commands will change you how we work with Linux forever. This is CipherCode 360. Let's get started. Okay, command 1 grep. Let's do a demo. Open terminal and run nano config.txt. Then paste any fake but realistic content. Then save and exit. Then most people open files by doing cat and cat config.txt and scroll manually to find information. But I'll show you a hacker move. Type grep password config.txt. Then it will find password from config.txt. Yeah. Or you can do grep -i key config.txt. It's case insensitive search, still instant. Command 2 psaux pipe grep. So in terminal type psaux. A real system runs hundred of processes. This is too much information. So I'll show you a hack move. So type psaux pipe grep ssh. By filtering processes, hackers instantly check if services like SSH are running. Run one more. psaux pipe grep root. This also shows processes run as a root. Command 3 chmod. Let's do a demo setup. Create a script nano hack.sh. Paste that command and enter. This is a simple script for demonstration. So let's run ls-l hack.sh. Right now, this file can't be executed. Let's run ./hack.sh. Is saying permission denied. So let's see a hack move. Run chmod plus x hack.sh. Then run ls-l hack.sh. This gives execute permission. So run again. So ./hack.sh. It's running Seki script. So for advanced permissions, chmod 700 hack.sh. Then run ls-l hack.sh. So it's saying the only owner can read and write and execute this. This is how sensitive scripts are protected. Command 4 SS. Open terminal, then type SS. SS shows all network sockets, active connections, and listening ports. So with TULN, we can filter for listening ports and open connections. Here, port 22 is open, meaning SSH is accepting connections. Type SS-T. So step established. Hackers also want to see established connections. This shows live, active network connections. To see connection by specific processes, SS-P. This adds processes details to show which programs using its connection. So filtering by ports, SS-TULN, pipe, grep22. We can filter the result by port. Here's the port 22 for SSH. Command 5 history. Open terminal, run some harmless commands. So history isn't empty. So then type history. Linux store every command type in the terminal. So advanced view. This shows the most recent commands on shared system. This reveals what was done before. So filter history. Filtering history shows privilege related commands. This tells you when administrator actions were used. For security awareness, this clears history. Professionals manage this carefully. This is only the surface of what Linux can do. If you want deeper commands and real cybersecurity skills, subscribe CipherCode 360. Next video is even more interesting.